Are you a Samsung Galaxy user, wondering where your One UI 7 update is? Or maybe you already got it? Samsung officially began rolling out One UI 7, built on Android 15, on April 7th, 2025. And it's one of the most exciting updates in years. This update brings a sleek new design, smarter Galaxy AI features, and deeper customization options. But here's the thing, not everyone has received it yet, and there's a reason for that. Let's break it down. The rollout kicked off in South Korea, then moved to the US and other global markets starting April 10th. But right after that, Samsung hit the brakes. Why? A nasty unlock bug on some Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 models caused a brief pause in the update. Phones were glitching when trying to unlock. Fortunately, Samsung fixed the issue and resumed the rollout on April 15th. Have you gotten the update? Let's run through the list of devices that have officially received One UI 7 so far. If your phone's here, you should be able to update right now, assuming your carrier and region haven't delayed it. Galaxy S Series, S24, S24 Plus, S24, Ultra S24, FE S23, Lineup S22, Lineup S21, Lineup Galaxy's S Series, Z, Fold 6 and Flip 6Z. Fold 5 and Flip 5Z, Fold 4 and Flip 4Z, Fold 3 and Flip 3 Galaxy Tabs, Dot Tab, S10 Plus, S10, Ultra Tab, S9 Series, Tab S9, Tab S8 Series. For US users, remember this. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi, your phone is charged, and check for the update in settings. Software update, download and install. The file is around 5 GB, so give it time and back up your stuff first. Oh, and if you were part of the One UI 7 beta program, you probably already got the final version, especially if you're on the S24, Z Fold 6, or Tab S10 series. But what? If your phone isn't on this list, devices like the Galaxy A55, A35, A14, M14, and others are expected to get the update in May or June 2025. So if you're waiting, we get it. It's frustrating, but the good news is it's coming soon. Now tell me in the comments, did you get the update yet? And if so, what's your favorite feature so far? Or are you still stuck waiting? Stick around for more update news. And don't forget to tap subscribe button so you don't miss the next wave of Samsung tips.